नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनच्या या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण nth टर्म ऑफ एन एपी म्हणजे अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मधील 90वे पद कसं काढायचं त्याचा अभ्यास केला। आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n टर्म्स ऑफ एन एपी हा पॉइंट पाहणार आहोत। सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n टर्म्स म्हणजे काय? एक अंकगणिती श्रेणी तुम्हाला दिलेली असेल आणि त्यातील सर्व पदांची बेरीज तुम्हाला करायची आहे। सपोज देयर आर गिवन लिमिटेड नंबर्स दॅट मीन्स 1 to 5 म्हणजे 1 ते 5 या संख्यांची बेरीज तुम्हाला करायला सांगितली असेल तर ते आपण सहजपणे करू शकतो। 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5 म्हणजे ह्या 5 संख्यांची बेरीज आपण तोंडी सुद्धा करू शकतो। But there are given as more numbers, that means summation of first 50 terms, summation of first 100 terms, summation of first 1000 terms. म्हणजे पहिल्या 50 पदांची बेरीज असेल, 100 पदांची बेरीज असेल, 1000 पदांची बेरीज असेल तर ही बेरीज करण्यासाठी आपल्याला खूप वेळ लागेल। मग ती बेरीज थोडक्यात कशी करायची त्याचा आपण विचार करणार आहोत। चला तर पाहूया त्याचं एक पर्टिक्युलर सूत्र कसं तयार होतं ते आपण पाहतोय। We know here's arithmetic progressions. So here's arithmetic progression. That means A first term, A plus D second term, A plus 2D third term, as so on. We write here's the last term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is our AP and we find out summation of all these terms. We know here the first term is A and last term that is A plus n minus 1 into D. Now add these all terms. आता आपल्याला यांची बेरीज बघायची आहे। Summation of first term. So I write here so yes. How many terms? There's n terms. So we write here so yes n. Summation of first n terms. SN म्हणजे काय? Summation of first terms. So is equal to A plus, that is the first terms. Then A plus D, second term, plus A plus 2D, as so on. We write here the number before this. त्याच्या आधीची संख्या काय असणार आहे? A plus n minus 1 इथं आहे म्हणून आपण याच्या आधी संख्या काय करणार? -2 into D plus with last number A plus n minus 1 into D. So all this number we write here in the addition form. Now you are reversing these all terms and rewrite it. Reversing the terms. Now you are reversing and rewrite. Reversing the terms and rewrite, we get here Sn again is equal to, we write here the last terms. What is your sum? A plus n minus 1 into D plus these numbers A plus n minus 2 into D plus dot 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 plus you write these numbers A plus 2D plus A plus D plus A. So we write here Sn 2 times, one simple way and second as reverse way. म्हणजे आपण अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनची बेरीज करत असताना आहे तशी पहिल्यांदा बेरीज करून घेतली, नंतर तीच बेरीज उलट्या क्रमाने लिहिली। Now adding these two, on adding What you get here, sum? या सर्वांची बेरीज करायची आहे. What you get here, sir? Sn plus Sn, that is the 2Sn is equal to, add here this term and these terms. Look here, sir. A plus this term, A plus n minus 1 into D. So I make here so one bracket for this. Plus, then second addition. I write out for simplicity. A plus D, these terms and these terms also. A plus n minus 2 D. Then we write here, sir, last two terms, which are here, sir, this term and these terms. So look here, sir. This term and these terms, this term and these terms. So I write here, sir, A plus n minus 2 into D plus this term A plus D. Now this last term here, sir, I write below here, A plus n minus 1 into D plus this term here, sir. So all this term we write here, sir, in the addition forms. म्हणजे दोन्ही एशन मधले पहिलं टर्म शेवटचं पद अशा क्रमाने आपण त्या संख्या सगळ्या लिहिल्या बेरजेच्या स्वरूपात. नाव सॉल्व दिस. आता आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचं आहे. व्हॉट वी गेट हियर, सर? लुक हियर, 2Sn. In this bracket, when you solve A plus A, I write here A plus A, that is a 2A plus n minus 1 into D, same as it is. Then in this bracket, simplify this. I simplify here, look here, A plus D plus A. Simplify this bracket, n d, d into n, that is the n d, and minus 2 into d, minus 2d. So solve this here, sir. A plus A, 2A, and d minus 2d, that is the minus d. So I write here, sir, n d, same as it is, and d minus 2d minus d. So 2A plus, take common d, n minus 1 into d. Look here, sir, n d minus d, n minus 1 d into n minus 1 into d. So we write this here, sir, 2A plus n minus 1 into d. So that means when you addition all these terms, you get the same brackets. म्हणजे जसं तुम्ही ऍडिशन करत जाणार, प्रत्येक ऍडिशनची बेरीज, प्रत्येक ह्या ब्रॅकेटचं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन केला, सर्व ब्रॅकेटचं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन केला तर तुम्हाला ऍडिशन या पद्धतीने मिळणार आहे. सो आय राईट ऑल दिस इन शॉर्ट. लुक हियर, सर, dash 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 plus addition of this bracket here, sir, I write here again 2A plus n minus 1 into d, like this bracket here, and solve this bracket. You get here, sir, again 2A plus n minus 1 into d. So what you get here, sir? As like you get here, sir, n additions. How many additions? n addition. म्हणजे या पद्धतीने तुम्हाला सॉल्विंग केल्यानंतर हे जे ब्रॅकेट्स मिळणार आहेत ते ब्रॅकेट्स किती असणार आहेत? n ब्रॅकेट्स असणार आहेत. सो आय राईट हियर, सम 2Sn, सेम एज इट इज. हाउ मेनी दिस ब्रॅकेट? n ब्रॅकेट्स 2A plus n minus 1 into d. So how many brackets? These are n brackets. So I write in the simple forms. Then we write only Sn is equal to, take this 2 in this sense, n upon 2 in brackets this 2A plus n minus 1 into d. So as like we get here, sir, one simple formula टू सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n टर्म्स ऑफ एन ए. म्हणजे अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मधील n टर्मची बेरीज कशी करायची त्यासाठी हा आपल्याला इथं फॉर्म्युला मिळाला आहे. सो ॲज लाईक वी गेट हिअर सिंपल फॉर्म्युला टू सम ऑफ n टर्म्स, फर्स्ट n terms. Now we share how to solve example on this, but before this you write all this and only you remember this formula, not all this. We share the sum of first n terms and find out this formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we get here one more formula. Simplify this formula as like, look here, Sn is equal to n upon 2. This 2a means a plus a, and this remaining bracket I write here n minus 1 into d. Now observe here these a and these terms. So what is this? So a means here the first term. A means here the first terms. I denote here the t1 plus a plus n minus 1 into d. We know this formula. What's this formula? That is the formula of Tn. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So for this write here sir Tn. So what this formula become here sir? Sn is equal to n upon 2 is equal to T1 means first terms and Tn means last terms. So this is one more formula to find out sum of all terms in arithmetic progressions. Now we share the example on this. Look here sir. But before this you write all this. We solve here one examples. Find the sum of first n natural numbers. So which are the natural numbers? We know this. So you write here first n natural numbers, that means AP. For solving this we write here AP and write here first natural numbers. So you know these natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as so on n. So these are the natural numbers and we find out here summation of all this. So summation for this we write here first terms. That means a is equal to t1 is equal to how many? 1. First term a is equal to t1, that is 1. And d, common difference, how many it is? 2 minus 1, that is 1. So right here so 1. And here's the last term is n. So nth term, I write here so nth term is here so n. Now we write addition of this, that means n is equal to summation of all this. First you write here so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus as so on here so n. Now by using formula, we know here so formula. If you know here so how many terms, first terms, last terms. So n upon 2, that is the first term t1 plus last term tn. So right here so n upon 2 same as it is, and first term is just 1 and last term is here so n. Simplify this again, multiply this bracket here so I write here so n, this bracket you write here so n plus 1 upon these 2 same as it is. So as like we find out here the summation of this first n natural numbers. We share the next examples, but before this you write all this. We share the next examples. Find the sum of first n even natural numbers. n even naturals. You know your sum. Sum नैसर्गिक संख्या. Which are they? So write in the form of AP. AP is equal to first even natural numbers. So write here first even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 as so on, which is the last even natural numbers. So that is a n, but you write here so 2n because it is a even natural numbers. So as like we write here so AP, and from this AP you write here first t1. How many first term? 2. What is the common difference? d, that is the 4 minus 2, that is the 2, and last term, that is the tn is equal to 2n. Now you know here's the formula directly, because you know here's the first terms, last terms, and how many terms. How many terms? That is the n terms. So write directly formula. Yes, n is equal to n upon 2 t1 plus tn. What are the values? N upon 2 t1, that is a 2, and that is last term, that is a tn is 2n. Now simplify this again. You take common 2. So write here 2 in bracket, and this n upon 2 same as it is. And in bracket, what is remaining here, sir? You take common 2. So 1 plus n. I write here say n plus 1. Here's write 1 plus n. We write in the form of n plus 1. And this 2 get cancels. Remaining what here say n into n plus 1. So this is the summation of first n even natural numbers. Summation of first n even natural numbers. Now this example we solve here another methods, because we use only this formula. But this formula you apply when you only know last terms. When you know last terms. ज्यावेळी तुम्हाला शेवटचं पद माहिती असतं त्याच वेळी तुम्हाला हा फॉर्म्युला वापरता येतो. We solve these examples in another formula. आपण हेच गणित दुसऱ्या एका फॉर्म्युलाने सोडवतोय. जो फॉर्म्युला आपण बघितला पण अजून त्या फॉर्म्युलाचा वापर केलेला नाही. So which are these? Yes, n is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So put up the values here. So n upon 2 2a, value of a, that is a 2. So write here so 2 plus n minus 1 into d means how many here, sir? 2. Simplify this. N upon 2, same as it is. 2 into 2, 4. And this 2, multiply this bracket. N into 2, that is a plus 2n. And minus 1 into 2, that is a minus 2. Again solve this. 4 minus 2, that is a 2 plus 2n, same as it is. Now what do we do? In this bracket 2 plus 2n, take these two commons out of the brackets first. So write here sir 2, and this n upon 2 same as it is. N upon 2. What is the remaining here, sir? You take 2 common here, the remaining here, so 1 plus n. म्हणजे इतर 2 च्या ऐवजी 1 येणार आणि 2n मधलं 2 काढले त्यामुळे n राहील. So right here sir 2 by 2 get cancels, remaining only n's, and here so 1 plus n or n plus 1. So as like you get here the answers by other methods. As n is equal to n into 1 plus n. So as like we see this example by 2 methods, but you solve only one methods. तुम्ही काय करायचं, एकाच मेथडनं कुठल्या तरी सोडवायचं आहे. आपण आणखी एक एक्झाम्पल पाहतोय, but before this you write all this. So here's the next example is find the sum of first n odd natural numbers. Which is your sum? Odd natural numbers. So you write here first arithmetic progression AP. Odd natural numbers, that means 1 is first odd natural numbers, then after 3, 5, 7, and so on. Now we write here the last odd natural numbers. Which are these? In previous example we share the last even number, that is a 2n. शेवटची सम संख्या आपण 2n पाहिली होती, पण आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, त्याच्या आधी इवन नॅचरल नंबर्स असणार आहे, त्याच्या आधी काय असणार आहे, ऑड नॅचरल नंबर असणार आहे. म्हणून आपण काय करणार 2n minus 1. So that is a 2n minus 1. It is the last odd natural numbers. It is the last odd natural numbers. Now solve this. Write here first t1 that is a is equal to 1, first term. Common difference d is equal to 2 and last term that is a tn is equal to 2n minus 1. Now solve this. Sum of all this, you know formula here. I write here only one formula, simple formula. n upon 2 t1 plus tn. इतका सोपा फॉर्म्युला असताना आपल्याला दुसऱ्या अवघड फॉर्म्युल्याकडे, अवघड असा नाही, जास्त कॅल्क्युलेशन तिथं करावं लागतं अशा फॉर्म्युल्याकडे जायची गरज नाही. पण हा फॉर्म्युला वापरत असताना आपल्याला काय माहित पाहिजे, लास्ट टर्म माहित पाहिजे, तरच हा फॉर्म्युला आपण वापरू शकतो. नाउ राइट दिस n upon 2 t1 that is a 1 and tn that is a 2n minus 1. Solve this. In this bracket 1 minus 1 get cancels. Remaining what here sir? Only 2n's. So n upon 2 into 2n. Simplify this 2 to get cancels. Remaining only n into n. So how many it is? N square. Look here sir. 2 upon 2 get cancels. And n into n square. So that is a summation of all first odd natural numbers. So this is the sum of first n odd natural numbers we get here. Now write this, we share the next examples. We share the next example. Find the sum of all odd natural numbers from 1 to 150. म्हणजे 1 ते 150 यांच्यामधील ऑड नॅचरल नंबर्स आपल्याला बघायचे आहेत आणि त्यांची बेरीज बघायची. सो फर्स्ट यू राइट AP. So which is the first odd natural numbers from 1 to 150. म्हणजे 1 पासून ते 150 म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये 1 आहे. ज्यावेळी फ्रॉम हा शब्द असतो त्यावेळी 1 तुम्ही धरायचा आहे. सो राइट हियर सो 1 3 5 7 as so on, which is the last numbers. 150 that is the even numbers, and before this you write here some odd numbers. So how many it is? 149. So right here so 149. Now in this arithmetic progressions you write here so A, that means t1 is equal to 1. D that is the common difference, 3 minus 1 it is a 2, so it is a common difference. And here's 149 that is the tn last terms 149. Now we apply this formula, which is formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 in brackets t1 plus tn. But in these examples we know how many these numbers. म्हणजे 1 ते 150 याच्यामध्ये ऑड नंबर्स किती आहेत हे आपल्याला माहित नाही. So first you calculate value of n. So right here see n, how many it is? We don't know. For this calculation we will write a formula tn first. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So you know here's a tn, how many it is? 149. A that is 1 plus n, we calculate value of n minus 1 into d, how many it is? 2. Now solve this. 149 same as it is equal to 1 plus bracket into this 2 into n 2n and minus 1 into 2 that is a minus 2. So 1 minus 2 that is a 1 minus 2. It is how many? Minus 1. 1 minus 2 that is a minus 1 and this plus 2n same as it is, and here's 149. Now take this minus 1 in this side, it becomes 149 plus 1. म्हणजे minus 1 इकडे घेतला तर तो plus 1 होईल and this 2n same as it is. 149 plus 1 that is a 150 is equal to 2n. We want your value of n. So take this 2 in this side. So 150 upon 2. So 150 upon 2, how many it is? That is a 75 is equal to n. So we get here some n is equal to 75. How many it is? N is equal to 75. Now we get here the all terms. That is that T1 is equal to 1, D is equal to 2, Tn is equal to 149 and N is equal to 75. Now apply this formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in brackets T1 plus Tn is equal to Sn. That means n is 75. So right here say S75. How many? S75. N upon 2, that means 75 upon 2. And T1, that is how many? 1 plus Tn, that is 149. Now solve this. 75 upon 2 into 1 plus 149, it is a 150 is equal to 75 upon 2 into 150. This 2 divided by 2, 150. या 2 ना 150 ला divide करा. It get here so 75 into 75. Now, how many multiplication of this? 75 into 75. How many it is? There is a square of 75. And you know here so how to solve this. In unit place, there is a 5. Square of this 5, 25. And in previous number, that is 7. You take your next number into 8. 7 into 8, 56. So 5,625. How many it is? 5,625. So as like we get here some summation of all odd natural numbers from 1 to 150. या पद्धतीनं आपल्याला 1 ते 150 यामधील विषम नैसर्गिक संख्यांची बेरीज किती आहे ते मिळालं. So as like we solve here the examples depending on summation of nth terms, summation of first n numbers. म्हणजे एका अंकगणिती श्रेणीमध्ये काही संख्या दिल्या असतील तर त्यांची बेरीज कशी करायची ते आपण दोन फॉर्म्युलाच्या सहाय्याने बघितले. दोन्ही फॉर्म्युलांचा वापर आपण इथं करून पाहिलेला आहे. तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, त्या दोन फॉर्म्युलाचा वापर करून प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 सोडवायचा आहे. काय करायचं आहे? प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 सोडवायचा आहे. तर आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इथंच थांबतोय. पुन्हा भेटतोय याच प्रकरणाच्या पुढच्या भागामध्ये ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन्स. व्हॉट इज ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन्स. पण त्यापूर्वी तुम्हाला काय करावं लागेल, प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 सोडवावं लागेल आणि हे फळ्यावरचं जे गणित आहे ते गणित तुम्हाला लिहून घ्यावं लागेल. तर हे लिहून घ्या. आपण पुन्हा भेटू पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पुढचा भाग घेऊन. तोपर्यंत सर्वांना धन्यवाद. बाय बाय. सी यू वन्स अगेन. बट विसरू नका आजच्या व्हिडिओला सबस्क्राईब करायला, लाईक करायला आणि शेअर करायला. ओके, धन्यवाद.